timber.
I think he was talking about those new winged things.
Prepping the cup first before putting the rigging equipment.
Sounds like a
Plenty
new
of
sanitary
holding
pad.
They are.
Oh, Scotty, slip of the
Got a
tongue.
pull rope up there for safety as well,
That's
utilising the
probably
ground
what it's
crew
like
very
at night
well
time.
to assist
Busy.
the climber.
Yeah.
Working smart, not hard. And this guarantees control too.
That was a good shot with the snap cut.
Yeah.
Did she do?
Yeah.
Getting it to everything land flat.
Climber just instructing the ground crew to take up slack. It's very important
This old mate here, he's going to take it.
that we feel the
each.
impact straight away, and that way we can let the run of the timber, of the load,
Instead of what Chris
and
is
try and share that load
This
of the
one's
distance
taken
of the tree, or the length of the tree.
taking a... Here we go.
Finish it with the hand tool.
No.
James just about to release his section. Very smooth. Give him a hand, folks. Well done, James. James and crew. Excellent control. Large piece. Crew just grabbing onto the branches. A lot of trust goes into a manoeuvre like that. The groundsperson and the crew on the lowering device have to have a complete faith that both understand what's going on. Nicely executed.